Hello everyone, let me show you how to do Picot Bind Off, casting on 2 stitches and binding off 4 stitches. I'm going to show you this working in the flat, however you can do the Picot Bind Off when you work in the round. Therefore, when I'm like this, I like to move the strand behind, slide the stitch and put the stitch back. But if you're working in the round, you don't do this part. The main idea for the Picot Bind Off is that you cast on 2 stitches, bind off the double number of it, so 4 stitches. Check the pattern will tell you all this stuff. And other thing is that the way we cast on and the way we bind off could be slightly different from what designer wants us to do or what we want to do. I'm going to show you one way of doing it. And obviously then the peacock, that little bulb that we're going to create, may look slightly different. I think the easiest way to cast on is to knit the stitch without taking the stitch off the needle, put the one that we created on the left needle, and then now knit through the one that we just put on the needle and the one that created, put it on the needle without taking the one off. And that way we have 2 stitches. We're going to knit these 2 stitches now. And pull 1 stitch over the other one. Knit 1 stitch, pull the one over. That's 2. And now we're binding off another 2. So we knit, pull it over, we knit, and pull it over. And that's bind off, is a traditional bind off, I think. And the last bit that we do, we slide back the stitch on the left needle. And we have that little bulb over here. So, okay, let's try to do it one more time. We start everything all over. Knit, hold the stitch, put the one on the needle, knit another one, hold it, pull the stitch on the needle, knit twice, pull one over, knit one, pull it over, knit one, pull it over, and last time pull it over and slip stitch to the left needle.